Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nur Hanisah binti Nur AZMI with student number 2019287494. In this video, I will explain part by part from part A to part D for technical lab 1. So, I will choose one machining process for this technical lab video. Start from part A. The machining process that I choose is rough contour. That is machining process number 3. For the part B, I will explain the holder, cutting tool, application, boring bar type, and the size. So, for the holder, I will choose tools indexable holder right side with offset. Next, the cutting tool that I choose is turning insert carbide cutting tool, trapezium shape. Next is application, which is dynamic bar copying. For the boring bar type, I'll choose the E/SVPC BA. For the size, we actually can choose from based on the measurement of the product, which is in this process, I will choose size number 18. I'll choose the size 18 because of for the rough type, for the rough contour type, it should be suitable. And if I choose the smaller one, which is size 14 millimeter, it actually can break the product, or it actually can break the cutting tool.
Part C, I will use this calculator to calculate all the information needed. So, in this calculation, I will use the unit of measure millimeter. The operation, I will choose turning. Material is aluminium. The cutter material, I will choose carbide. The workpiece diameter is 50 millimeter. The machine max is 6000. The cutting edge is 1, and calculate.
Okay, for the part C, we can actually just fill in the blank based on the value that we get from the internet calculator. So based on the calculator and the technical lab itself, the cutter material is carbide. The cutting speed based on the calculator is 305 meter per minute. The workpiece diameter based on the technical lab is 50 mm. The machine max is 6000. The cutting edge is 1. The spindle speed based on the calculator is 1940 rpm. The chip load is 0.673 mm per revolution. The feed rate based on the calculator is 1307 mm per minute. For the estimated time calculation, we need to divide length of cut with feet, which is the length of cut for this process is 100 mm, and it will be divided with 1307 mm per minute from the feed rate, and the estimated time is 0.077 minute. For the part D, a graphic illustration or sketch for process flow will be sketched in 2D or 3D.